To search for VIs in a directory, we can go to Tools menu, and from there we can select this option, Find VIs on disk, and we can search for VI by file name in a directory. We can also search for the exact file name, or we can use wildcards to search for parts of the file name. We can also search for VIs inside the library files, LLB files. So let's see how we can do that. So first let's go to Tools menu, and from there let's go to the Find VIs on disk option and wait for the Find VIs on disk dialog box to appear. In the first section named directory to search for, we can go and click this button to browse for a directory. When the directory appears, select the directory and press current folder button. The directory is entered in the directory to search for path. In the file names to search for, you can enter the file name, and also you can use the asterisk to specify a 0 or more characters to match. For example, suppose you want to match all control files, CTLs, and also you can specify whether you want to search inside the library files or not. Then press the find button. LabVIEW will go and start finding all the controls, that all the file names that you have specified, and start searching, and you will see here the number of files that have matched your search criteria. Once the search has finished, and also while the search is going on, you can press this stop button to stop the search prematurely. Once the search is finished, you can select the VI and then click Open Selected VIs. To select a VI, either you can select individual files, or you can press Control and select disconnected files, or you can press starting VI, starting item, and the ending item, and all the items in between will be selected if you have pressed shift while clicking. So once you are done with the selection, either you can double click it, or you can press this button, Open Selected VIs. The VI or the control, whatever object you selected, will be opened by LabVIEW. And finally, you can press this close button to close the search Find VIs on disk dialog box.